me ask you, what do you know about interference?
Interference? I think it is the avatar for the overlapping of two or more waves at the same wave at the same time.
Hi, Niko.
Hello,
What do you know about interference?
based on my advanced knowledge, interference means when two waves meet, they have an effect on each other.
That's right, Niko.
Thank you.
Okay, let's ask more people, what do they know about interference? Now, what is interference?
Interference is just like interruption. So, halimbawa, some waves, almost interference, like, siyempre, sa next duality, hindi naman pwede. Wave na lang naman compare. Pare, ang sound wave, halimbawa, ganyan sa classroom, nag-interfere lahat yung sound wave. Diba, nag-aawag galing sa original na sound wave. So, dahil yun lang yan, halimbawa, may sumarinate sa paragintay, siyempre mag-interfere.
Hi, Al. How do you think interference is?
Of interference, I think it's related to light, and then when two light waves meet,
We have heard different ideas from different people. Now, let's find out who really is the correct person to identify the meaning of interference. Now, let's come to the formal discussion about interference. How, when, and why does it happen? Want to know it? Just watch this.
When we discussed the reflection and refraction of light was interacting with mirrors and lenses. These objects are much larger than the wavelength of light, so the analysis can be done using geometrical optics, a simple model that uses rays and wavefronts. In this discussion, we need a more sophisticated model, physical optics, which treats light as a wave. The wave properties of light are important in understanding how light interacts with objects such as narrow openings or thin films that are about the size of the wavelength of light.
Interference. Interference is simply the superposition or overlapping of two or more waves resulting in a new wave pattern. As most commonly used, the term usually refers to the interference of waves of the same or nearly the same frequency.
When two or more waves come together, they will interfere with each other. This interference may be constructive or destructive. If we take two waves and bring them together, they will not wherever a peak from one matches a peak from the other. That's constructive interference. Wherever a peak from one wave matches it through in another wave, however, they will cancel each other out. That's destructive interference. The most interesting cases of interference usually involve identical waves, with the same amplitude and wavelength coming together. Consider the case of just two waves, although we can generalize to more than two. If these two waves come from the same source, or from sources that are emitting waves in phase, then the waves will interfere constructively at a certain point if the distance traveled by one wave is the same as, or differs from in total number of wavelength formed. The path length traveled by second wave. For the waves to interfere destructively, the path lengths must differ from an unequal number of wavelengths plus a half wavelength. Young's law was weak. Light, because of its wave properties, will show constructive and destructive interference. This was first shown in 1801 by Thomas Young, who sent sunlight through two narrow slits and showed that an interference pattern could be seen on a screen placed behind the two slits. The interference pattern was a set of alternating bright and dark lights, corresponding to where the light from one slit was alternately constructively and destructively interfering with the light from the second slit.
See, that's how important interference is. Hope you understand and learn something from our discussion. See you again!